This is DJI's new OM5 smartphone gimbal, which is really taking portability to a brand new level here, and when this thing is unfolded, it reveals some pretty awesome new features. Let's take a look. So the DJI OM5 is a 3-axis smartphone gimbal, and that means that you can get incredibly smooth video even while walking or running, but this can also capture just amazing cinematic shots that would be almost impossible to get without a gimbal. And just look how compact this thing is. It's actually 1/3 smaller than the previous generation OM4 from DJI, and when I show you the features that are packed into this, it's going to get even more impressive. Now, in order to keep things this compact, DJI is actually using this pretty incredible folding design, and it does have some magnetic assist in there in order to keep things incredibly easy to use. Plus, there is also a magnetic assist right on the back, so you can remove your phone, take a phone call, text message, or just use it for some handheld photo shooting, and then when you want to go attach it right back on there, you can do it in seconds. There's no extra balancing or calibration needed. Now, probably the most incredible new feature is that built into this is an extension arm, which turned out to be way more useful than I first thought. So first of all, if you're not using it, the best part is that you can absolutely collapse this and you'll never even know it exists. But also, there's this really useful tilt mechanism inside of it for shooting at different angles. But yes, the first thing I thought about was self-shooting and group shots, and absolutely this is incredible for that. So if you're vlogging or just want to get shots with a bunch of other people in it, this is going to be exceptional for that. However, it was also really good for getting shots high above other objects or people. So if you're in crowds and you want to get a shot over them, or for getting shots low to the ground that would be almost impossible to get without an extension arm. The OM5 gimbal also has Active Track 4.0, a feature I use all the time on my DJI drones, but it tracks the object inside of your frame. So whether I wanted the gimbal to track myself while I was moving around the frame or to track other objects as I circled around them, Active Track 4.0 does it effortlessly. The OM5 also has this new shot guides feature, which is a first for the industry, and it can automatically recognize a user's environment and recommend a shot sequence to better fit this subject. You also have templates for shots including people, pets, landscapes, daily life, sports, weddings, and so much more. It can also simplify the filming and editing process with recommended templates to use, and it's so incredibly easy to just go from shooting, editing, straight to sharing. There are also a bunch of extra features, including the ability to set the gimbal to automatically record panoramic images or even full motion time lapses with the included app. So with 3-axis video stabilization, a ton of new features, an app with built-in shot guides, and all of that in a device that is this compact and fits in the palm of your hand, plus you get that built-in extension rod, the DJI OM5 is really that one-stop tool for taking your smartphone gimbal to the next level.